It's also scary. If I do like this, it's even more scary. There's this mask. It's quite cool, the colors and everything. So there's a water comes from the cave, under the cave, and it's like 200 meters down and then 500 meters front, and you can be in the front and the people actually diving there. Good morning, guys. This is another video from Macedonia. I'm just outside Skopje. I came to visit this beautiful place. It's called Matka Canyon. That's the name. You can see here lots of mountains and really beautiful view. So I just started hiking. It was just a straight place to go, but I think after this press there will be a little bit of a hiking. So I wanted to also record a video here, show you around what to do, another thing in Skopje, except seeing the monuments, eating, drinking, partying. This is another nice place just outside from Skopje. I was staying in the city center. It took us 30 minutes by car to be here, which is not too far. Wow, look at this view. Giant mountains, and this is the electric station. At least that's what I believe it is. There are also boats to take. I think that's also what I'm gonna do. To do a little bit of a boat tour. I need to check first if I have enough cash actually. We'll see about that. Huh. I don't like this. Somebody's birthday balloons in the water. Not sure what happened exactly, but I just checked my wallet and I have exactly 200 dinar, Macedonian dinar. So we are doing the tour, the boat tour. This is the place for boat. This is the name, Canyon Matka. There's a church here. Hello. I want to do a boat tour.
Yes.
It's okay. And what time is it?
How many people here?
One.
You need to wait to collect more people because it's not going to bus.
Ah, okay.
Or you can drink one coffee, man, to the restaurant. If I collect the people, I'm gonna come there to come.
Okay, okay. What time it would be? Because I will have a
15 minutes because it's in the morning.
10-15 minutes. Ah, it's fine. I will wait here 10-15. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So we need to wait for more people so we can travel with boat. I like this. I guess this is for picture. So that was a 20-minute ride by boat and we just arrived. to the cave. Oh wow. It's amazing. Wow, it's also scary. If I do like this, it's even more scary. But the lights are nice. It's well designed. With different colors. Hi guys.
Hi.
It's so nice. Oops. Wow. And there was a generator outside, so this is where the light's coming from. And it's quite cool. The colors and everything gives the vibe and creates the atmosphere. It's really cool here. There's only 2 couples and that's it. So it's quiet, and I see there's this exploration zone. Hopefully I don't slide here. It's so wet, and there's actually drops from the top to the bottom. Maybe you can hear the sounds. For example, this one here. It's amazing. Okay, I think that was it. Very nice place, and not too far from Skopje. It was only like 30 minutes by car and 20 minutes by boat to be in this cave. I think it's quite nice place to be. If you're around, you should definitely check it out. So I'm not sure if the boat tour will continue, and if you are going actually somewhere different, maybe more caves. I'm not sure, but this might be the last point, and we might head back to where we came from. It was the whole tour. I actually learned something interesting. There's a spot right there. You said Spanish, and which people come? Italian?
Italian, Spanish.
Italian, Spanish.
Czech,
Okay.
yeah.
So Italian, Spanish guys, like divers, they go. So there's a water comes from the cave, under the cave, and it's like 200 meters down, and then 500 meters front, and you can be in the front, and the people actually diving there, which is incredible, and it should be a really interesting experience. Okay, that was it. That's whole tour, and we will be heading back with our beautiful tour, boat. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Nasze opytle. Do tego swojego dobiegła 242 metra na dole, 600 w prawo.
This is the source of the water, and that's what I was talking about. The divers actually go down 200 meters and then 500 to the mountain. It's crazy.
Wat zit dan niet op worden in? Dus
Да,